If you're not feeling like therapy is changing anything for you, if you don't feel connected to your therapist, if you don't feel like it's definitely worth the money and time that you're spending, get a new therapist. Cancel your appointment with your current therapist, and you don't have to tell them why. You don't have to tell them that you're leaving. You don't even have to do that finishing up session that you may have agreed to in the intake. You can just leave. Your therapist does not need you to look after their feelings. If they're feeling any type of way about you leaving, that's up for them to navigate. And then you try another therapist. Ask for a recommendation from a friend, jump online, find someone with reviews, and give them a go. Again, if you're not feeling it, please change. It's crap to have to go through the process of seeing different therapists, but when you find the right one, heavenly. You look forward to it, it's worth the investment, and your life will change.